Utie Oha Extra Ponkno. Needs FM.
Women is court processes no. It will be where you can do as of right. And I said no wow to me so be it is to show where I just a court no am out quite. Na the Udi Hunkomo is a year to choose Chicata. If I say Supreme Court say about the booster one quine na woman after that process. The woman say a year you were President Mahama. In the end, said we read Nasamuka. And I say we're closing the case out of the court. We close the case near a quite near and they said the Nipana no court no. Or not so a bit other so no best starting what can I say. And I say in this particular case, Rebecca said, oh, you know, defense. And it can cut a year in Mahama, they were really dear. I said, the way and so better nice. Nanka respondent no Edomo Asomaba. Now if he has any cross-examination Nanka Waye. It's not just that I can't any would be my when we the case no. And no tina the opese will be a case no na said Uma coming that you know. SAPini a year electoral commission chairperson no. I was say Oko now could be a court no. Now court no mau quine. Say okay, but my crime was I showcase nothing. I can't wait to get it. Of course, now about choir, you can't even move on to file that application to subpoena the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. And then she leave on basic, and that's a choir no movie with a Supreme Court, a court, also a man of choir. You don't have the right to ask or continue with their case. What's your fair? Case in this is here, your fair saving Ketia and your fair Pesa White. There was no issue because now Oma catch your court, so now more witness statement. But it drew a year a brand here, and I'm so man pilot the application. You see, they have to even go to chamber. Normally, judges make a kasa and Safra na Oma Mano. Quite amount of Juju Abekasa. And then she said, the medical kind. And then maybe a while, who two me you do them as of right. It didn't say, Frere, Pesa White, a man, but you could still case you don't have that right to call any further witness. You see, you can still Frere a witness who the idea. And you know, so the court name, now court no show. A court no tears here, Umama star acquaintance. If you're not, and the Maca say, in the say, Uma Friday process, and Edda. Court really, really. I mean, you should say 30 minutes for that, and we can file that process now. Yeah, that the court registry, no, and my own date, there, a payment, could see 17th and 18th in there. And then the court will hear that application for leave, no, court liberty, court in Momo Kwaya, as you might file that subpoena application, no. Then the court need to that application, no, and that is that subpoena no, on the Electoral Commission.
Time a bass court no man in Musuono. One is sorry see abontine no. Former Attorney General Minister for Justice, Marietta Brew Opong, Ejina Simpio so can say, ye back review of a ruling na abano. And subsequently, media can say, Womo ACK leave of the court to reopen their case. And in certain aspects, some of the source so as for them say, Umbetimi supina and supin electoral commission chairperson. Now, say ye review na ACK leave to reopen the case. The same thing, Anna.
But so the same thing. Now, said you can me a bra or casta. Now, review no, decision, and court no, and my, court no, ruling ɛno ne sɛ mmerɛ mu no wontumi ɛmforce obi sɛ ɔmɛkasa ɛwɔ court ɛna wohwɛ specifically saa case wei na ɛkɔɔ so no ɛyɛ yɛwura Atahwe Kata wɔmasɛm a wɔn kaeɛ ɛne sɛ nam sɛ na maame Jemensa ɔno one of her applications ɔkaa sɛ edu cross examination a wobɛtumi abusa no questions bi. It was in respect of the application affidavit of opposition to the interrogatory. Ɔkaa sɛ ɔntumi answer interrogatories na edu hɔ a wobɛtumi abusa no saa question no. And again yɛwura Atahwe mu argument baako nso ne sɛ na electoral commission through their lawyers after a witness statement no na yɛ maame Jemensa ɛna na ne nsa ɛhyɛ ase. It was the basis of these two wɔn feel sɛ ɛwɔ court no ɛma wɔn kwan na wɔn cross examine maame no wɔn sɛ maame no aka akyerɛ court no sɛ she is no longer interested in opening her case. Na no na court no ɛyɛ an analysis ɛna wɔn kaa sɛ and that is the law. Sɛ nipa ɛfile witness statement a ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wɔama evidence. Sɛ ɔma evidence no deɛ a ɛnneɛ na wɔwɔ ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛ cross examine no. Ɛno mpo no ɔma evidence ne wie na wɔse ɔmma no ho kwan ma wɔn cross examine na wɔntumi enforce no. Deɛ court no ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ asɛm na wɔabɛka akyerɛ court no yɛbɛyɛ standard sɛ yɛbɛtwa free court no record mu. And there's nowhere in our jurisprudence where a witness will be forced or can be forced to give witness or evidence in court. And as I said, when a court meeting as well, into Muka say, a year you Atahwe, an objection will be to the respondent application to the court not to call witness. No court can say when nature to any agent, when the respondent the agent say, "Umu akwenya, umu kwan," and the other time umachi, so musumun kasa, umun kasa. That was the ruling of the court. That's that ruling, no. And now, almost call for review. Now, said you in any more case, we know. Almost call for review, and in the Supreme Court, no, they add either two or three. In fact, they change the panel. Panel, they say the air so first review by and then you look at home. We also, it is possible to court in the time you know for the review application. And no. And of course, the court no any power so now will make it that decision, you know. If you bear but the room as it's so much there, then you say more than likely, you know, the review will succeed. But said the end, any power so no, and no will make you a decision. Meaning they say you can convince them by Monday, they will be decision now, you know, and you're wrong. But again, that is the process. The law allows them to apply for review. And the court so now, so that is review. Now the other one, the other one,
seeking leave of the court to reopen their case.
Exactly. Now, so and also so no, another opportunity which they can apply to the court for, and then it's also open to the court to either allow it or not. And then the all can say, "Oh, percent the case here you have close to that dano." You see, never no point. Na onto me and shasi. Said the bear. And so you see, the idea behind the application is, and now say, women ya quite and cross examine a mammy Jemensa. Say you repeat the case in that. Plan the say. Ebe asking Supreme Court, we be Supreme Court say, "Omo makwenya, no mo famra, entry maame Jemensa emra court." And no subpoena no. So the idea or the purpose of reopening their case, they've stated it, is to allow them or give them or force them another opportunity to bring maame Jemensa back to court. Say the better I will be me across the examine. If you are there now, woman, you know, so much for so. Say the better will be me actually, the Abekina court to the Bashan to Tona.
Ora John Darko, we a lawyer and I a lecturer, and you know, Edis Uncle me.
Would ye or ha extra punk no? Needs FM.